In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money using Wise to the Philippines. Whether you're supporting family, paying for a service, or sending a gift, Wise makes it easy, reliable, and cost-effective to transfer money internationally. Sit back as we walk through the process step by step. First, if you haven't already, you'll need to sign up for a Wise account. It's a straightforward process, and you can use the link in the description below to sign up for free. Using that link might also get you an exclusive free money transfer offer from Wise for your first transaction. So definitely check it out. You can head over to the Wise website or download the mobile app to get started. You'll need to provide your email address and set up a secure password. Choose something you can remember easily while ensuring it's strong enough to keep your account safe. Once you've signed up, check your email for a confirmation message from Wise to verify your account. When you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, where you'll see the option to send money. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to send. Be sure to double-check the amount, and remember that Wise will show you the exact fees up front as well as the real exchange rate. This transparency is one of the best features of Wise, ensuring there are no hidden costs and you know exactly what the recipient will receive. Next, select your destination currency, which in this case is the Philippine peso. Wise will automatically calculate the amount your recipient will receive based on the current exchange rates. It's worth noting that Wise often offers some of the best exchange rates available, typically better than those offered by traditional banks, which helps your recipient get more from your transfer. Now, let's look into the recipient details. You'll need to enter their full name and bank account details, including the bank's name and the recipient's account number. Make sure to input these details carefully to avoid any delays. If you're unsure, it's always best to double-check this information with your recipient to ensure accuracy. Before you finalize your transfer, Wise will give you a complete overview of the transaction, showing the exchange rate, the fee, and the total amount that will be deducted from your account. Take a moment to review this to make sure all details are correct before proceeding. Now, you'll move on to selecting your payment method. Wise offers several payment options, including bank transfer, debit card, or credit card, so you can choose the option that best fits your needs, keeping in mind factors like convenience and fees. Once you've selected your payment method, you can go ahead and confirm the transaction. That's it! Wise will notify you once the transfer is complete, and you can track the status directly within your Wise account. Your recipient in the Philippines should receive the funds shortly, with most transfers being completed within 1 to 2 days, depending on the payment method and bank processing times. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and makes your money transfer experience with Wise simple and stress-free. Thank you for watching.